The Disney World Monorail. Let's start our tour by hopping on the Magic Kingdom Monorail loop at the Contemporary Resort Station. The Contemporary Monorail Station is just upstairs from the Grand Canyon Concourse. This level features Chef Mickey's, and the famous Mary Blair mural. Here comes the monorail now. All aboard! The Magic Kingdom Monorail Loop features two separate tracks. The Resort Loop stops at the Contemporary Resort, Disney's Transportation and Ticket Center, the Polynesian Resort, the Grand Floridian Resort, and of course, Magic Kingdom Park.
Please note that the Magic Kingdom Monorail does not stop at the Wilderness Lodge. The other Magic Kingdom loop is the Express Loop, and that only stops at the Magic Kingdom Park and the Transportation and Ticket Center. Here's the Transportation and Ticket Center. And now the Polynesian Resort. Here's the Grand Floridian Resort.
Stopping at the resorts to do some shopping, or to stop at the various bars and lounges on the monorail can be a fun thing to do on a non-park day.
Next stop, the Magic Kingdom.
An important note, unlike at Disneyland, you can stand on the Disney World Monorail. Sometimes you'll have to stand during busy times, like after the park closes. Now let's look at the Disney World Monorail on the Epcot loop. This loop goes from Disney's Transportation and Ticket Center all the way to the Epcot theme park. Similar to the Disneyland monorail, the Epcot monorail takes you through the park before reaching the station, so you can get a bird's eye view of Epcot before reaching your destination. However, unlike Disneyland, you don't get off the monorail inside the park, but just outside the park at Epcot. It's for that reason that you do not need theme park admission to ride any of the Disney World monorails.
Did you have fun riding the monorail with us? Don't forget to subscribe and like our video.
Thanks for watching!